Hey, Sister Songbird once again with a song called Toby Mahogny. And Toby Mahogny was a very, very beautiful, dark and tall brown guy I met once. And though his name was something quite different than Toby Mahogny, he agreed that Toby Mahogny was definitely the right name for him. Anyways, we kissed and we spent a beautiful night together. But then the next day he stood up and he said, well, I will now do my best to forget everything about meeting you because I have a life and I have a girlfriend and this was just for fun. So, as the large person I am, instead of becoming mad at him, I just started teasing him, saying, I hope it's really easy for you to forget who I am, where I live, what we did, how we kissed. And then I wrote this song. Toby Mahogny, this goes out to you. I hope you're doing really good, forgetting how we met, forgetting all the loving hours we spent in my bed. I hope you're doing really good, forgetting what we shared. I hope you're doing really, really good. I hope you're doing really fine, forgetting how we kissed, forgetting how the stars aligned in magic moonlit bliss, forgetting how lives had waited just for this. I hope you're doing really, really fine. You're my Toby Mahogny. Toby, Toby, Toby Mahogny. Toby Mahogny. Toby Mahogny. I hope you're doing really great, forgetting how I feel, forgetting that you have my love and I would never steal, forgetting though you had a plan and I was not the deal. I hope you're doing really, really great. You're my Toby Mahogny. Toby, Toby, Toby Mahogny. Toby Mahogny. Toby, Toby, Toby Mahogny.